Today we have a 2000 Lexus GS 300. We'll be replacing the lower ball joint. Now I'll show you the right passenger side. The procedure is the exact same for the left driver's side. First thing we're going to do is remove the tie rod from here, which I was doing the tie rod anyway, so it's just number 17 up here to take off the nut. If it's the original nut, this is the 19 with the new one, and then basically remove that. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the cotter pin here and remove this nut as well, number 19. All right, so now with number 17, we're gonna remove two bolts here holding the ball joint to the spindle and just supporting the spindle to the side. So let's go ahead and take care of this and we'll get to the next. All right, so now with all that removed, all I do is get a T-bar just to hold to the side. And then now with, I'm just gonna use an air hammer with the ball joint removal tool and just hit this out. They also make the special tools that separate it, or you can just keep beating at it till it pops out. But just to make my life easier, we're gonna go ahead and use the air hammer and let's go ahead and get this removed. All right, so the old one's removed. Go ahead and pop the new one in. And then go ahead and throw the new nut. Now, if you want to torque this down, it's going to be 119 foot-pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this in and throw the cotter pin on. All right, now with this installed, I'm going to go ahead and put the spindle back on. And the reason we're doing this before the outer tie rod here is because when this is installed, it will kind of skew this, which will kind of make it harder for us to line the bolts up in here. So let's go ahead and line this up, get these bolts in, and we'll finish it up. All right, yo, lower ball joint is basically installed. These two bolts, 17s, I just hit it in with the impact, but it torqued down to like 81 foot-pounds or something like that, 86, something like that range if you want to do that. So now we're just gonna go ahead and throw our outer tie rod on and just pretty much tighten it with the wrench. If you want to torque it, it's like 64 foot-pounds or something. So that's pretty much it, you guys, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.